In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your files to OneDrive in Microsoft 365 for Business. Ensuring your files are safely stored and easily accessible in OneDrive is a great way to enhance productivity and collaboration within your team. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the Microsoft 365 login page. Once there, enter your credentials and sign into your account. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, make sure to follow any additional steps required to verify your identity. This is a vital step to keep your files secure. Once you're logged in, locate the app launcher in the top left corner of the page. It looks like a grid of dots. Click on this grid, and from the drop-down menu, select OneDrive. This will direct you to your OneDrive folder, where you can manage and store all your important files. Now that you're in OneDrive, you need to decide where you want to place the files you're about to copy. You can either choose an existing folder or create a new one to keep your files organized. To create a new folder, simply click the New button located near the top of the page. From the options, select Folder, then give it a meaningful name that relates to the files you plan to store. Once you've set up your destination folder, it's time to upload the files. On the OneDrive main page, you'll see an Upload button at the top. Click on it, and you'll have two options, the Files and Folder. Choose Files if you're uploading individual files and Folder if you're uploading an entire folder. This will open a file navigation window on your computer. In this window, browse through your local files and select the files or folder you want to upload. Once you've made your choice, click Open, or select Folder, and OneDrive will begin uploading your files. Depending on the number and size of the files, this might take some time, so a little patience goes a long way here. As your files upload, you can monitor their progress. OneDrive will show you a status bar indicating the upload progress. You can continue working in other areas of Microsoft 365 during this time if you wish. Once the upload is complete, your files will be available in OneDrive, ready for access from any device with internet connectivity. And there you have it. Your files are now securely stored in OneDrive. This simple process not only safeguards your data but also ensures that you and your colleagues can access and collaborate on these documents from anywhere, at any time. Thanks for watching, and now you're all set to keep your files organized and accessible with OneDrive in Microsoft 365 for Business.